Imagine a world where robots are not just sci-fi fantasies but an integral part of everyday life. What if I told you that Elon Musk believes Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, could be more revolutionary than Tesla's electric cars? Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to Clipa Virosa, where today we're diving into the intriguing and controversial journey of Tesla's Optimus. It all started in 2021 at Tesla's AI Day. Elon Musk took the stage and unveiled a bold vision. A humanoid robot, named Optimus, designed to handle the tasks that humans don't want to do. Elon even claimed that Optimus could ultimately be more significant than Tesla's car business. Bold, right? But, as with most Musk projects, it stirred both excitement and skepticism. In April 2022, Optimus made its first public appearance at Giga Texas Cyber Rodeo. At that point, it was just a static model, essentially a proof of concept. Tesla's AI Day in September 2022 marked a slight advancement with a walking prototype, demonstrating limb control and basic object manipulation. However, the movements were clunky and unnatural, and critics were quick to point out that Optimus was far from the agile, versatile helper Musk had promised. By March 2023, Tesla revealed the Bumblebee prototype, which showed improved mobility but limited capabilities. It could walk, but not on uneven terrain, and it struggled with more complex hand movements. Engineers admitted that fine-tuning joint coordination and balancing remained a challenge. This version raised concerns about whether Tesla could deliver on Musk's ambitious claims. 2023 changed the narrative entirely. Tesla dropped a viral video showcasing Optimus Generation 2, now with significant improvements. Could walk faster up to 2.5 miles per hour, which is a 30% increase from its predecessor. The robot was seen handling eggs without breaking them, thanks to its tactile sensors with 11 degrees of freedom per hand. Most impressively, it performed yoga poses, demonstrating a new level of dynamic balance. The technical breakthrough here was the integration of the Dojo D1 supercomputer chip, giving Optimus advanced real-time processing power. It uses 8 cameras for 360-degree vision and features 28 electric joints, designed specifically for human-like motion. This generation marked a milestone with Tesla's use of motion capture data and sim-to-real transfer learning to teach Optimus how to mimic human movement accurately. Elon Musk tweeted that Optimus could now learn through observation just like humans. That means it can watch someone perform a task and then replicate it. However, skeptics pointed out that the viral demo might have involved human assistance or teleoperation, casting doubt on its true autonomy. By mid-2024, Musk announced that the next generation would introduce multi-robot coordination. Tesla plans to deploy over 1,000 robots in its factories by 2025, handling repetitive tasks like assembly and quality checks. Gen 3 is expected to feature even more refined mobility, object recognition, and force-sensitive manipulation. Optimus is built around Tesla's cutting-edge AI infrastructure. Its brain, powered by the Dojo D1 chip, processes large volumes of visual and spatial data. It uses multi-camera neural net SLAM for environment mapping and planning. This means Optimus can navigate complex spaces and avoid obstacles with human-like precision. Its hands are equipped with sensors capable of detecting texture, pressure, and slippage, enabling delicate tasks like handling fragile objects. Despite the advancements, real-world applications remain limited. In Tesla factories, Optimus can sort parts and carry small components, but it's yet to handle more intricate manufacturing tasks. Competitors, like Boston Dynamics, showcase robots with superior agility and independence, raising questions about Tesla's long-term strategy. Elon Musk envisions Optimus as a potential game-changer, predicting that widespread adoption could turn Tesla into a $25 trillion company. However, many experts warn that mass-market humanoid robots are still years away. Cost reduction, reliability, and safety concerns are significant hurdles. As Optimus evolves, so do ethical concerns. Will robots replace human jobs? Could humanoid AI pose safety risks if not properly regulated? Privacy is another critical issue, as these robots could potentially record and analyze vast amounts of data from their surroundings. There's no doubt that Tesla Optimus is pushing the boundaries of robotics, but can it live up to Elon Musk's ambitious vision? Let me know what you think in the comments. Will these robots become our future helpers, or are they just another Musk dream? We couldn't fit all the research into this video, but if you want to dig deeper, the sources are in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Clipa Virosa for more insightful tech content. Thanks for watching.